So we've been talking about mindset, or the internal set of skills we use to do design thinking. Now, let's focus on the external process steps that groups use to move through the innovation cycle. We have a 4-phase process. The first phase is understand and observe. In that phase, we do desk research or secondary research to understand the domain of the problem we're working with. And then, with that in hand, we go out to do field work where we interview users, potential customers, people in that space for whom we are working. We do deep ethnographic interviews. We spend hours and hours talking to people, understanding their lives. With all of that data in hand, we then shift up into the second phase, or the insight phase. Here, we're taking all of the data we've gathered in the first phase, and we're making sense out of it. We're finding patterns, we're finding new knowledge. We're understanding at a deeper level the issues in people's lives relative to the problem we're trying to solve. At the end of insight phase, we know enough to be able to pose the real problem. With that in hand, we move into the third phase, which is the ideation phase. Here, we generate lots and lots and lots of ideas, of potential solutions, of ways that we might solve that problem we've uncovered. After generating massive amounts of possible solutions, we converge down to select the very best ones, the high potential ideas. And with that, we move into phase 4, experimentation and prototyping. In this phase, we test the assumptions and we test the unknowns in our new positive ideas. We go to users, we go to everybody in that ecology, and we get their response to our ideas. This 4-phase cycle is a continuous learning cycle in which we get smarter and smarter and smarter at very low cost, so that at the end of it, we have a promising product or solution, and we know as much as we possibly can about what users will think of it and how they might use it.